This is the practice test for fractions. Here we're working on problem number 8, and the problem says perform the indicated operation 4/5 divided by 8. Now you are allowed to use your calculator on the test, and so you could just plug in the 4/5 using the fraction key, and then you would divide by 8 and hit the equal sign, and you would get the answer 1/10, 1 over 10. I've worked it out here by hand, where we have 4/5 divided by 8, and I can take that whole number 8 and put it over 1 to make it a fraction. And then the rule for division of fractions is keep, change, flip, which means we keep the first one the same, 4/5, and then we change the division into multiplication, and we flip the second fraction, and this one would be 1 over 8. And now we can take the 8 and break it down into a 4 times a 2, which is 8, and then we could cancel a 4 on the top and a 4 on the bottom here. And then whenever we're multiplying fractions, we multiply the top numbers, which would give us 1 on the top, the numerator, and then 5 times the 2 on the bottom gives me the denominator of 10. So every division of a fraction always ends up becoming a multiplication when we apply the rule keep, change, flip.